Morning guys, we are sat in a 2018 VW Up. It's the Up 2 and this one is the Beats edition. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to put the ignition on. We're going to do something that I don't think anyone else has done yet, because the customer has travelled all the way down for us to remove this inbuilt system and hopefully drive away with the Alpine Halo 9 with navigation. It's been unheard of just because of the fascia, and there's been nothing available as yet for this to happen. This has got standard FM and SD card with DAB, and you've not been able to do anything in terms of the fascia, but hopefully with our bespoke work and everything else, we're going to be able to be fitting in the 9-inch system. So we're going to do a couple more videos showing how we're doing it, and then do the end result, and hopefully it'll be thumbs up and the customer will be chuffed to bits. So we'll check back later. Okay, good afternoon. We're back in the VW Up 2018 and we have removed this. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. This is the Mark II Up, so it's a bit more built in, manual climate control or manual heater settings, and gloss black. So what we've done has been pretty clever because the customer wanted more. Ignore the dash cam that we've also fitted front and rear, and we've now got a Halo 9 with navigation. So that's the INE-F904, and it's the new one which has got TomTom navigation built in. This particular one comes with 3 years free map updates. So we've done a complete and utter bespoke installation of this. So let's just turn it on. Tim's done a snazzy little boot up screen, which you'll see now. This particular car came from the factory with Beats audio. Okay, so we've had a lot of jiggery pokery today to get this to work. This car doesn't have multifunction steering wheel, so it's relatively basic. We've got air conditioning, we've got a climate control fan, but nothing too expensive in terms of digitalized up here. You've got start stop, and you can still get access to the rear window heater. Let's just go back to the main menu. I don't know if Tim can show you, or in the next picture can show you where we've cleverly put the USB, but rather than the USB that comes with the Halo 9, we have used another Alpine part. So this is a flush mounted USB, so that when it's not in use, we can take it out, you don't know it's there, and when you want it, you just plug it in and it's nice and easy. No faffing around because it's been fitted vertically like so. Still get access to your sunglasses. This customer uses Android Auto, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to use my iPhone for CarPlay. So just going to plug the lead in like so. Okay, so I've just plugged in my phone for Apple CarPlay. So the customer has got Android Auto, I probably just mentioned that. So we've just plugged it in for demonstration purposes. Now what you are seeing, there may be others that have done similar, but this is a Mark II VW Up 2018, and we have fitted now a 9-inch navigation system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth streaming, DAB, FM, USB. It's got HDMI capability as well, and we've also fitted a reversing camera, so I'll go into there first. Now, not just because of the fact that you can put it into reverse, but we also wire up our cameras that don't need a reverse trigger for that. So there's your reverse camera. It's an aftermarket one. The car's white, so we've done a gloss white camera to look really, really cool. And then you can go out of the camera mode and go back into your main screen. And as soon as you select reverse, it'll also go into reverse like so. And you can decide whether you want the guides on or off, which is customer specific or dependent, whatever you want to do. I personally quite like the guides because you can reverse right up to this red line. So take it out of reverse, go back to your main screen. Navigation button is down here on the F904s, and then with your phone plugged in, you've now got CarPlay, all the usual. This is, again, it ties in with all the other Halo 9 videos that we've been doing, the 903 and the 904. The last one we did with a Seat Ibiza. This is the updated iOS, so we've got Waze, you've got Google Maps, WhatsApp, Spotify, and a few other bits and pieces on there, and also you get the Alpine main menu as well. So you can decide which side you want the steering wheel. That's one thing I haven't done yet, so in a second we'll move this menu over to the driver's side, right hand side for UK. So going back to the main menu, go into navigation, GPS is all hidden behind the scenes. Microphone is fitted up the top here. USB is down the bottom in a 2018 VW Up. If you've got this and you want something like this, even if you've got Beats Audio, you can come to us and we can fit it, and we'll give you 2 years warranty for being an excellence dealer. The good thing about this is that this car never would have worked with the original radio in there, because it's got Beats Audio, and the amplifier talks by CAN bus, which is data. So we've intercepted that and we're now talking to it, and I can't turn it up in case there's a music that comes on that we're not allowed to play, but the sound is absolutely fantastic because they're all 50-watt speakers. This has got 50 watt per channel output, and it really does make it sound pretty good in here, probably better than the factory one, but that's just me being biased. Okay, so INE-F904 Halo 9 with navigation fitted into a 2018 VW Up. This, as far as we're concerned, is a one-off. So if you like it, then get in touch with us and we can get it sorted out for you. As usual, please subscribe, tell your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.